Like a fire that burns so bright. I was day and you were night. Like a spark we were quick to ignite. Then you ask yourself, is it worth this fight? I love you so much sometimes, baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe.
Good afternoon, everyone. We have been walking for almost more than 30 minutes already. Welcome to LANGINKOSKI walking trail, biking trail. It's near the water. When you had enough of walking, sweating, then you can take a dip and just swim for free. Yes, so quiet, only birds you can hear. Nice weather, 31 degrees Celsius. So we're heading back to, you cannot read it, to the Imperial fishing lodge. Kalastos Maya. What's Imperial? Imperial. Keisarilinen. That's a difficult word. Keisarilinen. Kalastos Maya. Yes. We're using the Nordic stick. See? There is the stopper when you're in pavement, asphalt, then that's good. If you take that cover, then it's spike. It's good for winter. Nordic stick, keeping your upper body as well active when you're doing your brisk walk. The strides are bigger, stronger, using your upper body as well. Yes. So along the way path, you can see some information as well. I'll see you soon, so we don't get lost. I'm using my Nordic stick again, freeing my hand. I will turn the camera. I'm with Christine. Hello. Nice weather. That's my daughter. You're okay, Christine? Yo. Yo, yo. See you later, guys. There she goes. This is such a nice area. We're almost back in a Imperial fishing lodge, the Keisarilinen. Kun is there. He's running. I'm with Kun and with Christine. Hello. There's the path. Here. You want to go this way now? Our car is parked there somewhere up the hill. Here's the Imperial Lodge, fishing lodge. Museum is there. built 1880. And the coffee shop. There we are. Oh, car is parked up there. And here's the we're back. The museum is open. Also fresh air. It's a good idea to come here. Hey! Can you see from here? They have a small sauna there. The Emperor have built 1880, if I remember right. Yeah. Please. Bye for now. That's our short trip. LANGINKOSKI, kay Sarilinen, Kalastusmaya, the Imperial Fishing Lodge in Kotka. Bye everyone.
Like a fire that burned so bright, I was day and you were night. Like a spark we were quick to ignite. Then you ask yourself, is it worth this fight? I loved you so much sometimes, baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe.